Hi everyone, we're going to solve the equation on the interval 0 to 2 pi. Sine of theta plus cosine of theta equals 1. There's two different methods that you can use. I've already done videos on another method. This method is just to square both sides. So these are linear in sine and cosine. So what I can do is I can take sine theta plus cosine theta equals 1 and square both sides. Now when you do this, what you're going to have to do is check your solutions. But it's not that bad really if you know how to factor. So we have this form here, so expand this by saying this is sine squared of theta plus 2 sine theta cosine theta plus cosine squared of theta equals 1. All right. Now, I know that sine squared plus cosine squared is 1. So we have 1 plus 2 sine theta cosine theta equals 1. If you subtract 1 from both sides, the 1's go away. And so we have 2 sine theta cosine theta equals 0. Now, all you have to do is set both of these pieces, 2 sine of theta equals 0 and cosine theta equals 0, and solve accordingly. And we have theta. If you divide both sides by 2 here, we just get sine of theta equals 0. So that's going to happen here and here, which is at 0 and pi. And cosine is 0. That's where your x is 0. So that's going to be theta equals pi divided by 2 and 3 pi divided by 2. Now, the problem with the squaring is you have to check all the solutions. So that's what we're going to do next. All right, so we want to see, we go back to our original equation. When theta is 0, does sine of 0 plus cosine of 0 equal 1? So this is 0 plus 1 equals 1. So this is a solution. So this works. Now let's do theta equals pi. This gives me sine of pi plus cosine of pi. We want to know if it equals 1. Sine of pi is 0 plus cosine of pi is negative 1. This gives us negative 1, which does not equal 1. So basically this one is not a solution. So now let's try theta equals pi divided by 2. That gives us sine of pi divided by 2 plus cosine of pi divided by 2. Now this equals 1 plus 0 equals 1. So 1 equals 1, so this is a solution. And the last one we had was theta equals 3 pi divided by 2. So that gives you sine of 3 pi divided by 2 plus cosine of 3 pi divided by 2. Now this equals negative 1 plus 0, which equals negative 1, does not equal 1, so this one's not a solution. So our two solutions are here. Theta equals 0, and pi divided by 2. Also that theta equals pi and 3 pi divided by 2, it can't equal that because these are extra non-solutions. So it's called extraneous, extra non-solutions. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.